Because for instance, I did recently lots items of potatoes. So, and I look, potato, or fried potato peels, frying potato peels. It's the same, almost the same picture. Look, this is more zoomed. This means that I forgot that I had this on my collection already, and I tried to search for this picture. I thought I had it, I have it, but perhaps I did not, I don't remember. So I import it again. So I'm making duplicates, and look, once I call it fried, and the other time I call it frying. If I go to the list, it's only used once, and the fried, it's used only once. So I'm making redundancy here. I really don't want that. So in this case, what I will do is go to the list, this item, just for the example. Oh, look, it's here. Instead of frying, I'll be using the fried. Accept that. And now it's telling me, oh, since this was the only item using this picture, the frying, you want to remove it? Yes, please. I don't want to keep it. And here you go. If I go and search again, now I no longer have it. Green potatoes at it is, flowers, plants, and cultivation. So now I finished reading those articles. Most of the articles about the solanin and so on is okay. Let me look at that. Links, what's called? Chaconin. Okay. And this one, look at that. It has the same name. It's a different presentation of the same. But look at this. This is gibberish. So it will be nice to put Chaconin and then 3D. I will do the same for this one. Rename, Chaconin, and I will put, for me that's the default, but if I want I could name it for the convention how this is presented. Now I don't even recall how it's named like this, but since me it's the default, I will leave it like that. And now this picture looks bigger, but it's a different picture that it's a duplicated or it's the same one. We can look at that. Links, rename. Oh, it's the same one we did. So it's the only thing is that I duplicated the link. So delete registry link, yes please, and that's it. I'm using the picture once. So I think I covered more or less everything I could with just this example. I will incrementally building up the registry with tags, not just people, but also for chemistry and so on. So I have for human anatomy, I have the picture like, or I have the real, the dead body picture and so on. So it's so easy for me to quickly identify those.